Dumating na yung order ko na decor ni Sofia. Kinabahan ako, kala ko hindi umabot. Buti na lang umabot. Kasi tumawag sila. Di ko nasagot kasi nalobat yung phone ko at hindi na on ni Sofia agad yung cellphone ko nung nagcha-charge. Tapos buti na lang dineliver nila nung hapon, ngayong hapon. Umabot kasi kailangan bukas ipe-prepare na to para sa party ni Sofia. So, ito lang yung laman, guys, yung ibibigay ni Sofia sa mga bisita niya. Kasi puro babae naman yung bisita niya. Parang souvenir, anik-anik lang. Tapos, ito yung balloon. So, madami yan sa loob. Parang 100 plus pieces ata yan. And yung double-sided tape na gagamitin para i-decor. Doon, yan, sa silver na yan. Yun lang. Magluluto ako ng kare-kare at ng pansit. So, nakasalang na yung kare-kare. Mag-prepare naman ako ng ingredients para sa pansit.
Leftover songs, old ticket stubs, tiny maps of who I was. Half a fortune in receipts and paper.
Magluluto din pala kami ng inihaw na tilapia at saka ng inihaw na hotdog kasi di ba masarap yun para sa dalawang bata. Kasi darating yung friend ni Sofia. So maghihiwa ako.
I'd say, oh, I trust. Leftover thoughts and coffee cups. That's how I keep close enough in every stain and every thread. You're in the mess around my bed. Leftover thoughts and coffee cups. Our little ghosts in all this stuff. Lipstick print on a cracked white mug, handle chipped where you would hold, like your fingerprints won't let go. Laundry mountain with one bright shirt you stole. I wear what's left, walk through the day carrying your echo home. Leftover socks and coffee cups.
Tapos na yung kare-kare. This is the kare-kare. And this is the binagoongan.
This is my gift from Tita Tin. Thank you, Tita Tin. Let's unbox it. Gananin mo lang. I am confused. Agoy. It's a bracelet kit.
It's a bracelet kit. Oh. Wow.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Ang ating...
Silver.
Saan? Patingin?
Merong gold. Silver and gold. Oh, then may gold bracelet.
Oh, you make for Tita Tina and Tita Nubs.
Yes, I will. Oh my God, oh my God. Another silver letters. Silver letters. Food.
Food. Kakainin mo yan. Food daw.
Rainbow letters.
Ha?
Rainbow letters. And, oh, for the keychain.
O, diba? You have a lot? Say thank you na.
Thank you. So, I will make keychain.
Ay, may cake! Blow.
Ako na
Oh, pose. Oo nga. 1, 2. Ayan. Oh, TikTok, dali. Dali. Ay, video pala to. Ayan na, game. Ayan. Oh. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Wish, wish. Okay. Blow. Yay! Ah, picture, picture, picture. Picture, picture. 1, 2.
Ah, ganda ng damit oh.
Wow. Oh, dito.
Black beauty.
Okay, yan. Oh, smile. 1, 2. Yan.
Welcome. Walang
Tapos, oh, smile, smile.
Yung ganitong cake.
You go back.
Okay. 1, 2. Yan, okay. Ayaw niya mag-blow. Nilapit na.
Natayo pa ba ako?
Isayaw mo, Ruby. Ikaw na
Wala ate?
I-video na ka lang.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Wisit ka.
Happy birthday to me, Allah.
Akala ko hindi pa rin eh.
Thank you.
Oh, make a wish. Ang bilis mo talaga mag-wish. Yung wish mo talaga.
My
Yung
wish
wish.
secret.
Oh, secret. Oh, picture na lang. Smile. One more.
This was from my friend Daria. Thank you so much to her. Chocolates of
Wow, nice. Oh, di ba you like that kind of notebooks? Oh, thank you.
I received so many bracelets today.
Oh, say thank you. Tingnan ang ano ma? Wow. Oh, you... Aray ko.
Wala nga pang imo talaga, Ate Lawrence. Tawagin mo si Kon.
Sige. Para makakain ulit.
This is all my gift from my friends. So, this is beads and this is another bead kit. This one is to make earrings and a clip-on
Bracelets,
bracelet. And then
keychain.
this one, if you want to add accessories to the bracelet, you can put, or you can do keychain with this one. And this is gold letters. And this is small silver and gold hearts. This one is rainbow letters. And this one is notebook. Here I can write my designs, art,
Okay. And
and
from
Tita Nabs.
Thank you, Tita Nabs, and Tita
Thank you,
Tin,
Tita Nabs and Tita Tin.
and Dahlia.
And Dahlia. Let's
Oh,
see how much.
that's from Tita Nabs.
Yes, let's see how much ito.
Pera o bayong?
Ha?
Pera o bayong? Money or bag? Oh, show me. Thank you.
Thank you. Slay.
And now, guys, we're eating the tira-tira food. The tira-tira spaghetti. There is hotdog and pizza. There is pancit.
And we're
Coffee. There is siomai. There is, ayun pa yung pizza, oh. May natira pa. Mga 2 days kaming hindi magluluto kasi we have tira-tira pang kare-kare and binagoongan. And meron pang grilled fish. Oo, may inihaw pa na isda. Tapos, may biryani pa, may faham pa na natira, Diyos ko. Siguro mga 2 to 3 days. Hindi, baka di na yun umabot ng 3 days. Mga 2 days lang siguro. Yan, so let's eat!
Yeah, let's eat. And which is also my aunties and uncle. Thank you to the Pakistani. Thank you to Dahlia. Thank you to everyone who gave me my gift. Bye. See you next time. Bye.
Found you stuck in the back of the dryer, little gray threadbare, still a stubborn survivor. You used to run laps on my cold kitchen floor, now you're preaching about heartbreak from the laundry room door. Singing leftover socks, still here when everyone's gone. You talk about the ones who come in pairs and walk. I think you get me, yeah, you get me. Leftover sock, holding on to what the others forgot. Guess the lost and found is all we got, but you don't quit me, you don't quit me. You said I've seen every spin, every cycle. They swear it's forever till the heat turns psycho. You laughed at my text that they never answered. Said at least we made it through the linen and cancer. Singing leftover socks, still here when everyone's gone. You talk about the ones who come in pairs then walk. I think you get me.